going on, guys? It's Jager back with yet another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be washing my lawn tractor. Guys, I'm gonna get some before and after shots. Just mowed with this thing yesterday. So as you can see, it's pretty dang dirty. Gotta get into it. The engine's pretty clean. I mean, wipe it down. But, you know, it's dirty. So I'm gonna get the leaf blower out, blow it off, and then we can get to the wash. Guys, got her all blowed off. As you can see, all the big stuff is off. All of that. So just now for the washing part. So that's the end of the video. My phone died, so I can't really show you the end result, but I'll make a part 2 coming out with that.